Hello everyone, this is the second of 3 tutorials now on working drawings. This one is to show you how to create very quickly and easily an exploded isometric or an assembly drawing of your product, your CAD model. This is what the outcome looks like. I'll show you how you get to that. So again, when it comes to the ribbon here, we have the design. This is where you obviously create your virtual model, your CAD model. And then in the animation section, this is where you can explode things and move them around and stuff. This is what I did earlier. I'm going to undo a bunch of that in reverse order. And so what you'll get initially is your model as it would be in the design area. But basically all you do is you get a side view and you just move, you select components. You can hold the shift key to select multiple ones, use M for move, and you're just going to move them. I tend to zoom out quite a bit for this. So you'll be zooming in and out quite a lot, and you'll be moving components from that side view to what looks like a good distance away. Now that component is there, but because it's so white, you can see why it's disappearing now. Some of them will look out of line if you only use these arrows, so you might tweak them by typing in the measurements that you want them to be. So for example, that will probably look a bit better there. I'm happy with that. And then you'll just keep selecting the components and moving them so they're a nice distance apart so you can see the exploded orientation nice and easily. Again, I'll just put that there for now. In fact, I might move that a bit further this way. -50 is a bit much, so I might go 30. That looks a bit better to me. And then we'll do the same for these two components. So I'm just holding shift key if I want to select multiple. I'm going to move these down a bit further over that way. And I'm just keeping things a little bit in line so, as they would be. So as you can see, these are in line but also exploded. I'm going to move that way, but I'll probably go -40, I think. Probably a bit much. So you might just tweak them to try and get it in line distance wise, and then I'm going to take that one and just pop that up. But again, 50 is a bit much. I might go 20. That looks about right. And then I'll press OK. And then if we press the home button, you'll get the orientation showing it exploded. And then from there, you'll go drawing. But instead of from design like we did previously, it's from animation. Press OK. You get a new window up that shows it exploded in that orientation that you did in the animation area. Again, I'm going to tweak this and go 1 to 2. It seems to sometimes freeze there, so if you wait a moment, it's usually okay. Press OK. And there you have it. If you want to add color, you can double click. I actually think adding the edges as well is a good thing, because with the exploded view, you can see a bit more detail then. So the shaded with hidden edges is a good option there. And then the same again, we're going to output as PDF. We're going to open the PDF, we have to save it. Just save it as that. And then you can again snip that into your folio to supplement your chosen design drawing. Just show it in those views as well, so giving a bit more information. Okay, I hope that's useful. And the next one we'll be looking at orthographic drawings.